All right, these are your 6-5 notes. We're going to start with the slope formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we use the letter M to represent slope. There are 4 steps, so today we're not going to know all the coordinates, but we are going to know the slope. The other day we were figuring out the slope from the coordinates, so now it's the same concept, we're just missing different information. Step 1 is we label everything. x1, y1, x2, y2. We write the problem using the slope formula. Then we will cross multiply. We can add a 1 to the bottom of our slope if we need it, and we will be distributing. And then we'll solve it for r. So let me show you what all those things mean. Step 1, we label the points. So I just rewrote this information from up top. Now I'm going to label my parts. x1, y1, x2, y2, and that's my slope. Slope equals, so -3 over 2 equals y2, -3, minus y1, 6, x2 minus x1, which is r, which is super weird, but don't worry, we'll figure it out. Step 3 says to cross multiply, so I'm going to mark this out. -3 minus 6 is a -9. That'll just be easier to work with. Cross multiply. I have -3, 10 minus r equals 2 times -9, because that's that group. Distribute. -30 plus 3r equals -18. Add 30. I have 3r on this side, and I have a 12 on this side. Divide by 3, r equals 4. That's all we're doing, and then we would know that that would be a 4 if you were plotting those points. Let's do 2 more practices. x1, y1, x2, y2, and then our m is 4. So 4, but I need to make them a fraction, so I put them over 1. -6 minus -2, r minus 6. Our r is in a different place this time, but it doesn't matter. -6 minus 2 is a -8. No, it's not. It's a -4. Now we're going to cross multiply. 4 times r minus 6 equals 1 times -4. Distribute. 4r minus 24 equals -4. I'm going to add 24. 4r equals 20. Divide by 4. R is 5. Right? x1, y1, x2, y2, and that's my m. -1 over 3 equals 3 minus r. The r's moved again, but that's okay. 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 is a -3. 3 times 3 minus r equals -1 times -3. 9 minus 3r equals 3. I'm going to subtract 9. 3r equals -6. Divide by -3. is 2.